All right, so when you're trying to pass butterfly, sometimes you get caught in a leg lock scenario where we're here and I'm going off to the side and then boom, this shit happens, right? Right here is when I have to deal with this problem. Because if I end up off to the side and he has the leg, now it's a whole different ball game. But when I'm here, I still have a chance, right? So what I'm gonna do, I'm keeping upper body pressure. I'm trying to get the face if I can, and I'm gonna bring this leg back and hook this. Okay? If I can get this now, I should be safe, right? So I'm here, I'm keeping my weight on. Before he engages his hips and knocks me over, I'm floating, I reach back with a windshield wiper style, I get here, and then I hide this foot. So see that little double bar there? So let's say nothing else happens, and we just fall off to the side here, and he's grabbing that leg, and he tries to clear the leg off. I'm underneath that leg. I'm safe. Well, safe-ish, right? So, I'm playing, boom, he gets here, he's stuck in, this sucks. I keep my weight down, I'm trying to block the face, I find the leg, I hide this leg. Okay, now what I want to do to make sure that I'm clear of this, and I'm going to get the pass here too, right? I keep this high as I can, and then I'm going to drive my hip pressure into this leg. Once I drive my hip pressure into this leg, it's my leg versus his foot. I should win this battle. I push straight out, and now I'm bringing my knee out like a crocodile walking shit you make kids do. I come out, I'm gonna hook his foot, and then like BJ Penn, don't mount right into mount. Shit. Okay, so I'm here, I'm trying to pass, he catches me. I reach back, catch there, hide my foot. From here, I'm going hips heavy, bringing this around, trying to find that. Boom. Finish with a pass, safe from the leg locks. Buy my shit and subscribe.